Are you getting ready to sell a home? You probably have your paint, curb appeal, and staging all lined up. But before you hit list, there's one big thing that many sellers overlook: the roof. Even a roof that looks fine could end up turning away buyers once inspectors and lenders get to work. Today, I'm going to walk you through why something that seems young can be a problem, what buyers and lenders look for, and what you should fix before you list. A roof isn't only shingles, it's a whole system working together. Many sellers assume a roof is 15 years old, so it must be halfway through its life, and that can be misleading. Warranties may cover materials for 30 or 50 years, but some components like your pipe boots, flashing, or other roof penetrations often wear out much sooner. This can be a red flag for buyers and a deal breaker for lenders. From our experience at Equity Roofing, these issues show up time and time again, killing deals even if the roof looks fine from the road. Granule loss, faded or shiny roof spots, thermal cracking, especially on slopes with lots of sun exposure, worn pipe boots, failed flashing or exposed nails, poor attic ventilation that leads to mold or wood rot. Buyers, inspectors, and lenders will all look for these, and any one of them can trigger repair requests or cause a buyer to simply walk away. Selling doesn't always mean replacing the whole roof. Most of the time, you can get away with just a few repairs. Around 1 in 5 home inspections are flagged for roofing issues, but many of those only need repairs such as flashing, pipe boots, or other simple problems. A full replacement should be a last resort when there is confirmed structural damage. Otherwise, a few small repairs and clear documentation can keep the transaction moving. Here's what I recommend checking and fixing before listing. Inspect and replace worn flashing, pipe boots, vent seals, and any exposed nails. Check for granule loss, shingle cracking, or lifted shingles, and make sure attic ventilation has proper intake and exhaust and isn't blocked. If there were past leaks, confirm the decking is still solid with no soft spots or rot, and gather all paperwork, installation dates, warranty info, invoices, and any past repairs. Be ready to answer questions like, how old is the roof and who installed it? What brand and type of shingles were used? Do you have any paperwork, invoices, or transferable warranties? Being ready with clear answers gives buyers confidence and speeds up the sale. If you aren't able to immediately fix any of those issues, well, your best option is to be upfront and transparent with the buyer to avoid any confusion. If you're planning to list your home soon, schedule a roof inspection before you list. Having repairs done, paperwork ready, and everything documented can leave you feeling confident when selling your home. If you're getting ready to sell or buy a home, check out our website for the most accurate information you can find to educate yourself about your roof. Next stop, a better roof.